2022 ARRL Field Day, Vero Beach, Florida, at the Indian River County Fairgrounds. This is KJ4YZ with HamRadioConcepts, and normally we are over there, you know, set up with all the fairground field out there. But this time, because there's a gun show, which I might have to go there and buy an AR-15 upper if I could find one. But this year, they took this area for the field day. And this is the outside pavilion. It's rather large. And Indian River County did us a favor, or always works with us for this. And this is the Vero Beach club trailer here. I'll just show you that, what they got today. They got the tower with the cobweb, MFJ cobweb up there, 5-band. And so lots of videos to be had this weekend, but they always got food over here. They always got some stuff going on. There's people that are not even here yet that'll show up later. They have dinner. Always a good turnout for field day. So let's see what they got over here going on.
HamRadioConcepts is brought to you by HamRadioPrep.com. It's never been easier to learn about ham radio before you take the exam. And Ham Radio Prep makes it fun and guarantees your success. Visit HamRadioPrep.com. Use the code ERIC20 to instantly save 20% off every course you buy. Remember the name, HamRadioPrep.com.
So the Vero Beach Amateur Radio Club always has a cool trailer. They got the solar up there, a few hundred watts on the solar. The Illuma Tower, telescopic tower, MFJ. That's actually, believe it or not, guys, fun fact, that is my old MFJ cobweb from years ago. Rick had bought it from me, and there it is. It's still there. They replaced some wires and did some modifications, but that is my old MFJ cobweb. Look at that, the 5-band, the original one. So the Illuma Tower here, they got the Honda in there, but if you check my other video, okay, I just came here to bring this. These horseflies are killing me out here. This is the WEN 2350 generator inverter. And I filled up with gas, and I filled up with oil, and I did a heat cycle, a couple heat cycles. And I'm making a video on that. You'll see it on my channel. But I told them, I said, guys, I need you to give me 5 hours in there of running and tell me what you think. Put it to the test and break it in for 5 hours until it runs out of gas. Then I'll change the oil. They're going to run that. They have the Honda there in the cage there. They have the big Honda 3000. But I told them, hey, you know, I'm not going to be here for field day. I'm going to be operating from home, probably poolside and everywhere else. But there's a little win. Check out the video and the link in the Amazon description. You're going to be amazed at this thing, man. I'm telling you what. Everybody was like, oh, my God. Watch, you're going to see everybody with a win here. They're going to get rid of the Hondas. So, inside here, we have AC going. I guess the AC must be plugged into power. But, oh, look at that. We have an SO239 holding that in. So we got the FT1000MP Mark V field. We got the software going here. They got some radios here in the trailer. I think this is Phil's ICOM 746 Pro. Got the computer here. Solar, batteries, cables. And it's cool in here. So the club trailer, they have a good setup in here. And that's where they'll be operating, W4OT. Normally I come here and try to do some contacts. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos from home. It's meeting time, look, see? Everybody's giving instructions and what to do, what not to do. And if you want to watch Jan do his speeches here, you can sit on the bleachers. Alright, so up here, let's put my glasses on so you can see this. So up here, they have, from the trailer, I guess this is an 80 meter, somebody zoom in, I can't see it on my screen here. Where is it? You could probably see it, I can't see it. 80 meter dipole up to that tree up there. And over here, into that tree. And then they have somebody over there, I'm not sure what they're doing. Okay, and then David always brings his bucket truck, or the county, or whatever he does, the bucket truck. We have another antenna up here. This is a double bazooka. That's, I think, another 80 meter antenna going this way, I think, or maybe 160, I'm not sure. No, it's 80 meter. To the top of the bucket there. Jan's electric Crossfire, fully electric Chrysler Crossfire. Check that video out on my channel. You can see how that thing runs. That is 100% electric, look. Crossfire electric. All right, so the bucket truck is used as a portable mast there. And then they have another antenna. It looks like maybe, I don't know what that one is, going over there to the tree. But that's a long one. That one might be 160 meters right there. And it looks like, boy, it's hot out here. It looks like we got something else out here. Let's go take a look. Isn't that Jeep cool? Hey, look, a little Honda. A Honda Killer, the Wen 2350. You got the get on the air station, I think, is somewhere here for extra point. Get on the air. Got radio here. Somebody's set up here. And over here, oh cool, the back gate's open. I can go right out that way. All right. And then we got, this is I think this is an alpha vertical on the tripod. Got a vertical going on here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 antennas at least. A bunch of stations, lots of room. And, well, you could pull. If I had my RV, I would have backed my RV right up into here, but that would have been pretty cool. RV is being rented out right now, so no way to use the RV like I did last year. They do have lights up in here, so it won't be dark at night. So pretty cool stuff, man. Field Day 2022. I'll have to say hello to everybody over here that's in the little meeting. I won't eat dinner this time because I'm not going to be here, so. Just walking around. Oh, look, we even got, oh boy. We even got stuff for sale at Ham Field Day here. And one thing missing from Field Day this year is Pixie. Pixie, where are you? Extra Pixie. Look, I don't see Pixie here. Where are you, Pixie? All right, Jan, so normally every year you give us the Field Day rundown. Here you guys were having your meeting and I showed everybody what's going on with the club trailer, some great antennas out there. What's the plans this year?
Okay, well, as you see, the plans this year, we have north, south, and east and west 80 meter offset Wyndhams. I didn't get them from North Carolina. I really don't know exactly what state they came from. They could be New Jersey Wyndhams. They could be Wyoming Wyndhams. But we don't use Chinese Wyndhams, guys, so don't worry about that. I have a 40-80 meter double bazooka from Ultramax. Ultramax? The guys in...
Ultramax.
Ultramax, yeah. So we have that up. We have the, as the cobweb turns. Eric will fill you in on the history of this antenna.
Oh, I already showed him in the video. I said, look, that was my original cobweb.
Right, and that cobweb's been through Eric, through Rick. It hit a tree.
I weed-eated around it for like 2 months in my backyard when it was on the ground.
It hit a tree when it was mounted on the side of the trailer, so we had to put it back together, but cobweb lives.
Yeah.
Okay?
As the cobweb turns.
That's right. So we're running 2 stations, of course. As you guys know, no major 1,500 watt, 2,000 watt, 5,000 watt, whatever those guys were running. No super stations this year. 100 watts PEP
Oh,
max.
so you mean it used to be?
Is
that new?
Yeah.
The new this year?
Yeah.
Oh.
So now it's a 2x multiplier for everybody at 100 watts PEP. And then if you run an all QRP, you get the 5x multiplier. And if you're on solar cells with batteries to get the natural power.
That's me at home.
No, that has to, but no, here, to get the extra points, the club, it has to be 5 watts or less.
Right.
So you make those contacts. GOTA has to be on auxiliary power.
Where is the GOTA station? I couldn't find it.
GOTA station is right over there.
Oh, that one, okay.
Okay, that's Brian running the GOTA station. So we've got the trailer running 40 and 80, 20 and 40 meters to start up with here with bandpass filters. So we bought some extra bandpass filters this year.
Yes, that way nobody's clobbering everybody.
Yeah, but we use the same hot dogs and hamburgers and everything. You know, the tried and true stuff from the Vero Beach Amateur Radio Club. You know, we're not changing. We use the Aussie grill.
Yeah.
Okay. So we had a great
Is John doing the burgers this year?
John did the burgers.
Okay,
John.
Yeah, John does the best burgers.
John did the
Props to
burgers.
you on the burger flipping, John.
Yep, and the hot dogs. So great dinner. We'll have a good dinner later. We're in the horse pavilion here. If you remember where we were last year, we were adjacent to the main building on the concrete. So this building is twice the size.
Right.
And it has beautiful 50-foot trees all the way around.
Yeah.
And of course, the county's nice enough to loan us the bucket truck if Eric already showed you the antenna mount. So it's a 45-foot bucket truck and up in the trees. So we're doing real good on antennas.
John lost my tickets.
Oh, we'll find them. Or we'll make
I'll
out.
never win if people keep losing my tickets.
We just throw them away
If I don't find them, I'll put in another set for you.
Listen, what Eric doesn't know is we always throw his tickets away. He's a
That's
good guy.
usually what happens.
And we give the prize to somebody else.
That's why I'll never win at the Gigaparts thing online either. They're never gonna pick me.
No, of course not. So it'd be like Ford Etzel the Third winning a free car. Okay.
I'm still waiting for Ed McMahon to come by.
Yeah.
I'm waiting.
Yeah. You and me both. So, but anyway, so we're running 3 Alpha.
3 Alpha
we
means.
have a lot of people.
Explain again now. 3 stations.
3 stations simultaneously on the air.
Alpha is.
3 Alpha is emergency power.
Okay.
Non-plugged in the wall generator.
And then South Florida, Sierra Fox,
and South
Lima.
Florida.
Right. So for those that always ask, I don't understand these things. The idea of a field day is to get out here, right, Jan?
Set up portable in
exercise.
an area that's not normally used.
Right.
And pre-set up.
And then what you're doing is you're logging contacts, and they give you a little bit of a incentive to get points for your club. So it is not a contest, but people always ask, what are these numbers? So if you hear somebody CQ field day, Whiskey 4 Oscar Tango, which is the Vero Beach Club. If you hear them, make contact. And then 3 Alpha means 3 operators, emergency power, South Florida, and the indicator would be Sierra Foxtrot Lima. And as you put that in, right, to the computers that are all around here, then you will get that thing on the map, right? It'll show you where they're at. They'll get you on the map, and Florida's what, three sections? North, central, and south.
Yeah,
right.
And what you've got is you can't have any 2 transmitters on any one band on the same mode.
You can't have 2 people on 20 meters doing PSK 31 at the same time.
Right. So in other words, one have to be digital, one would have to be voice, and one can be CW.
Right. Gotcha.
Okay. So anyway, but like I said, we've got a lot of people with some family conflicts and stuff today. And so we don't have that big push with the 6 Alpha that we had the last couple of years. And so let's maintain 3 and have a good time.
Yeah. Well,
the trailer is strictly back on solar power finished.
Is that it? What's running that AC?
The AC is on shore power.
Oh,
The AC
I thought, man, are you doing what I'm doing on my RV, running AC in the sun? But no.
The AC and the computers can be on shore power.
Right.
But not the radio transmitters.
That's where my RV was parked for the firefighters fair. They had it over. No, not the firefighters fair. The balloon fest. One of those. I had it parked right here.
Anyway,
they rented that.
I'm gonna go.
Yeah, he wants to get going. I just had to. So John hasn't found the tickets. So we're gonna fill out.
Got blown away.
So listen, Jan, this is on video. They're not getting thrown away this time.
Yeah, you better show the numbers. Okay, we have the numbers on video.
Okay.
Either way, it's a donation. It helps.
Yeah.
But hey, I could use it to buy more stuff.
I'm gonna crank up that generator and break it.
Yeah. So Jan's going to check out my video on that Wen over there. I'm gonna zoom in as Jan's watching. I brought that generator right there. $389 for a 2350 watt. Links in the description. They're gonna put that to the test and run that whole trailer in there. So pretty cool.